Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you my sabbatical experience in the past 9 months. This cartoon well illustrated my feelings when I submitted the sabbatical application. Deep down in my heart, I just want to have a break from my academia life to explore my potential. During the sabbatical leave, I focus on our ongoing collaboration with our national and international partners. This paper illustrated our ongoing collaborative work with the University of Tokyo under the ACAP study. In this review article, we explore the recent trend of androgen deprivation therapy in prostate cancer patients and compare it between high and middle income countries. We learned that the metastatic disease cases are much higher in the middle income countries compared to high income Asian countries. In this table illustrated the different treatments received by prostate cancer patients between high incomes and middle income countries. And this is the second paper under the ACAP study. We describe the prostate cancer in multi-ethnic Asian men at real-world setting. This landmark paper actually involved all 9 hospitals across Malaysia. We learned that stage 4 prostate cancer disease were prevalent in Malaysian men. For states with lower GDP, higher percentage of stage 4 disease were observed. We also demonstrated the different primary treatments received by prostate cancer patients across different disease stages. Our survival analysis revealed that stage 4 prostate cancer patients develop biochemical progression as early as 19.2 months. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all our national and international stakeholders as well as the funding bodies. Without their continuing support, it wouldn't have been possible to make these studies a reality. During the 9 months sabbatical, we also managed to publish 2 papers with the Practical Consortium in London Institute of Cancer Research. In this paper, we explore the associations of marital status and prostate cancer. We found that widowed men had a higher odds ratio of developing prostate cancer compared to men who were married or with a partner. We also look into the polygenic hazard score in relation to prostate cancer amongst multi-ethnic population. We found that polygenic hazard score is associated with age diagnosis of any and aggressive cancer, and this association with cancer are significant within the Europeans, Asians, and African genetic ancestry. In addition, we also look into the urinary extracellular vesicles amongst prostate cancer patients in partnering with Monash University, Malaysia. And in these studies, we confirmed that the extracellular vesicles or exosomes were successfully isolated from prostate cancer patients' urine samples based on the morphology, particle size, and marker proteins characteristics. Lastly, I'm awfully grateful to be able to involved in this correspondence with the Lancet Oncology. In the correspondence, we deciphered the cancer disparities that affects Asians and minority Asians Americans. Besides the publication, I managed to submit abstracts to 2 international virtual conferences. Our abstract on the effect of androgen deprivation therapy on health-related quality of life in prostate cancer patients was accepted as an oral presentation in the annual Korean Urological Association conference. The second abstract was accepted as a poster in the Malaysian Urological Conference. We described the level of awareness of prostate cancer amongst Malaysian public. In addition to all the research work, it is rather exciting to be invited for some personal development talk and workshop. I was an invited lecturer to the Biomedical Science Horizons, sharing my employment experience as a biomedical graduate. It is enlightening to learn that fellow students benefited from my inspirational talk. In the following month, I was engaged to share the tips and tricks on pitching your research. I'm pleased to learn from the organizers that the registration response was overwhelming, and most of our audience found this event nice and useful. I believe the best marketing strategy is through the word of mouth. Soon after the pitching talk, I was once again engaged by IPPP to organize a pitching workshop for their IIRG finalists. So what I did was quickly set up a mentoring group consisting of 5 members with real pitching experience. We provide personalized coaching sessions to the IIRG finalists and prepare them for their pitching date. I was extremely grateful to have relentless support from the IIRG Secretariat in making this a success. Most of the finalists found these coaching sessions extremely useful and should be continued in the future. John Kennedy once said, "Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country." As a fellow citizens, I believe we have a social responsibility to contribute to our community. In November this year, we launched a media campaign on prostate awareness under the Urological Cancer Trust Fund. We hope that more men will realize the existence of prostate cancer and seek for treatments early, because early detection saves life. In conjunction with the campaign, we also organize a virtual run in collaborations with CIMB Foundations. We received good response from the members of the public as well as the cancer survivors. In summary, I truly enjoy what I did during my sabbatical. It is a shame that I can't travel much due to the COVID-19. Nevertheless, this sabbatical has changed my perspective on life and career. Thank you.